My mother came to my bedside and she said, "You can do more with your life. We serve a mighty God." She didn't know that I was crying when she's telling me this. Somehow, some way, that pierced my heart. Now, although we had grown up on government cheese and food stamps, I didn't know how my life was going to change based on what she said, but I believed her. And so my mother's words, they inspired me. And my father's actions, man, they drove me. Like, I'm going to do something with my life. Don't know what, don't know how, but I'm going to do it. And so I graduated high school, and I found my way into laying carpet. I was laying carpet for a year, then I bumped into this beautiful company named ServiceMaster. When I say beautiful, guys, I mean this was a gift to me. They kept me so busy laying carpet 6 days a week, right? The retailers where I normally get work from are slow as hell, and it was a disaster restoration industry.